Is your child lazy to wash hands with the same old boring soaps? Say hello to fun with our brand new Unicorn Soap Making Kit. Say hello to the perfect activity to get your kids crafting while learning about cleanliness. This kit lets your child create colorful soaps that sparkle with unicorn charm. Consisting of the most simple and easy to use materials, it's time to get started. First comes the melting, then the colorful filling, then finally, the packing. Each soap they create is so cute and packed with a fresh, lovely fragrance. The kit includes the pretty packaging, so they can gift these to their friends or classmates for their birthdays or special occasion. This activity helps them grow their concentration and focus and boosts cognitive development in the most enjoyable way possible. The Handicrafts Unicorn Soap Making Kit, a fun, fragrant, and educational experience for kids 5 years and up.
Shop now from a range of handicraft soap making kits.
Funskool, true to kids, always.